friends, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Stefy. If you're new here, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a beauty video that I haven't done in a while, but is very well known to this channel, and it is the PLOUISE budget box. Now I did skip a couple months because I got tired, honestly, from all the palettes that were in these. Like, I had so many and I really honestly needed a break. But we're back with a brand new one. This is the June box. Believe it or not, it arrived quite early. Now we are literally in the second week of July. Normally I receive this at the end of the month. It takes nearly a month to come out of customs. It takes weeks to come out of customs. Somehow it took days. This went into customs on, if I'm not mistaken, Monday, and was delivered, we are on Friday. So it actually didn't take anything just to come out of customs and be delivered. So honestly, thank you Multipost for not delaying my unboxing. So today we've got the PLOUISE June budget box for 2025, and I'm excited because I know this is a blue box. You can see the blue underneath this pink packaging. Now if you're new here, I'm Stefy. I don't know if I mentioned this because I got so excited with the box. I post videos on anything beauty, lifestyle or bookish related, and basically we haven't done a beauty video in a while. Well, kind of. I do have some videos for beauty videos in the previous videos currently, but I needed to open this. Now it's currently hot. I have no AC on at the moment. I did some quick makeup. This is no foundation makeup, so again I'm using the trick of the trade, no foundation, but I'm just using a really kind of glowy primer base from Rimmel, and this is basically what I've got. I've got literally cream products. So let's open this up and get out the June budget box from PLOUISE. This is retails for £30 with shipping and everything and customs that I do pay. I would say it just comes under 60 euros. So I pay about 40 something euros around about to get the box with shipping to Malta. Then you pay about 6 euros if there's anything alcoholic in here. If not, it just bypasses the customs and comes out. So I love the blue. The blue reminds me, oh, it's a little bit damaged, but it's okay. The blue reminds me of, if I'm not mistaken, it was November box or December. I think it was the November box. But this is the gorgeous packaging. Now, and you can see the little boo-boo there, so it had a bit of damage, but it's okay. The boxes, honestly guys, with budget boxes, normally it's December, the November, December box that tends to be all this pretty, but every month she is going out with the boxes as well. Honestly, Paige is the chef's kiss of beautiful packaging. So this says make it rain budget box, and on bottom it says make it rain with PLOUISE, no storm can stop you. Let's see, ready for a little enchantment, unfold the beauty, let the magic pour in. So really cute packaging. This reminds me of like the Kylie lip kits. Honestly guys, this is too cute. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what we have. Okay guys, let's open her up. Okay, let's see if we can get a one swipe. Let's see. Normally it's a hit and miss, but let's, ooh, we do. Oh god, it's quite sturdy, but let's open her up. Now normally I like the little minis that you get, the little freebies, and there's no mistake, there's one in here. Ooh, okay, so this is, ooh, we got two products. Okay. I think I moved the camera. Let me move her back. There we go. Look at the freebie. So these do come, if I'm not mistaken, I think the freebie is per order or per month. Not sure how it is, but you do get the freebie, and it's every quarter or every month. Something around that part. But this time it is the Baby Doll Lip Base and Mini Rich Tea Lip Liner. I feel like we need to do a review on this. This is a video on itself. Like, oh yay! Now I do like the paint, the what's it called again? Lip base paint. I do have two neutrals for my skin tone, but on other people they're amazing, and I do love the lip liners. Lip liners, I have a few in my kit as well. I have some for myself, and honestly I love this. But the thing is, what I don't know is which ones I'm missing. Honestly, I do not know which ones I'm missing. I do have quite a few, but I wish they were numbered in a way that we'd know which one we're missing, because here it just says 1111, issue number 1111. You never know what's in it. So I might do this in another video. We can open her up and see everything inside it, but I always love seeing these. So that's just an extra bonus. But guys, we've got product. Okay, let's open her up and see what we have. So the first one, honestly guys, I love her moisturizer, and this is this is called Hyaluronic Moisturizer. It's Rain Check. So look at the packaging. She goes all out with the packaging. She's got an amazing design team, and this is beautiful. So it says Rain Check, Hyaluronic Moisturizer at the back, it says, and it does say Rule Your Radiance. So we do have a little, you can pause here right now if you want to read it, but I will try and go over it very quickly. Treat your skin like royalty with Rain Check, a hyaluronic moisturizer that deeply hydrates and plumps, designed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and leave your complexion refreshed. It's perfect for dry, dehydrated, or sensitive skin. Lightweight form absorbs quickly, providing lasting moisture without any greasy residue. Ideally for daily use or a quick refresh before a special event, Rain Check keeps your skin nourished and revitalized. So directions for use: start by cleansing and toning your face, then apply a small amount of the moisturizer to your face and neck, gently massaging it into the skin in upward circular motions. For best result, use product both morning and night as part of your daily routine skincare. Oh, wait, what? As part of your daily skincare routine. I said that the other way around. Avoid direct contact with eyes. So again, I do like her moisturizer. Honestly, her moisturizer, I do have one currently on the way. I think it is the cherry one. They kindly sent me out a cherry like bundle, which I really love, and I currently use that with one of the toners that I did get in another. Oh, she is so beautiful. She's the same packaging as my cherry one. Honestly guys, I don't think I even did a review on that. I might have to do a review on the bundle that they sent over, which is really kind enough for them to send over. But yeah, so this is the packaging with clouds, blue. I don't want to open this, because once you open you have to kind of use, but let's just open it for the purpose of the video. So there we go. I actually want to see what's, so that is honestly gorgeous guys. Is that pineapple? It's got a scent. It's got a scent. I'm not sure about sensitive skin, but it's got a little bit of scent guys. But the packaging, who wouldn't want to put this on your vanity in the bathroom? Honestly, 10 out of 10 for packaging. Till now, it has done nothing to my skin. I do have a bit of sensitive skin and it's fine, so that's a good thing. So next we have Clean Slate Double Layer Cleansing Water Oil. Did they know I needed a new one? Did they know I needed a waterproof makeup remover? Because I feel like they did. Let's show you guys what it looks like. This is the packaging. Isn't this stunning? So again, clouds, key benefits: effective makeup removal, gentle foam that easily removes long-lasting makeup, waterproof mascara. We know she has a really good mascara, which is like, doesn't come off. Sun cream without harsh rubbing, contains sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil, which break down the makeup while maintaining your skin's natural moisture. So it's hydrating and nourishing, it's soothing and calming, and brightening and protective. So it does have rose water, which gives your skin a natural glow, leaving it looking fresh and radiant. It does have chamomile as well, so it's calming and reduces redness. So that's really good for sensitive skin, it does say here as well. That's it, yeah, it does. There's so much. Fresh face and no trace. Let's start a clean slate. Because it's got the 2 layers. Let's open her up quickly without me ruining my nails. I literally just did my nails and I feel like I'm going to have to ruin them just to open the packaging. Okay guys, this is it. This is, oh, this is such a gorgeous design. Look at the design guys. So it is the biphase and it's got like rainwater, like, what am I saying? It's like it's raining on the bottle itself. So this is, I wish that was blue, not green. Honestly, that's all I need. If it was blue, not green, that would be perfect. So that is the pump itself with the pump on the top. 10 out of 10. So now we've got some really good skincare, and I'm not really complaining because I did need another one of these, so they've done me good. Next product is Start Your Rain. It is a hyaluronic acid eye gel. don't think I've ever had an eye gel from them. So it's deep hydration, revitalizes and refreshes, and smooth and firms. So that's interesting. Flawless and lifted, firm and tight. Your eyes will shine fresh and bright. This is beautiful. So let's open her up. It's in packaging. If I can get this to focus. There we go. So it's in like a plastic seal. So I'm going to open it up and let you guys see it, what we look like. So this is the packaging for the eye gel. So it's Start Your Reign. I'm going to put the other way around. Isn't that gorgeous? This is really cute. So it's a twisty and it comes out from there. The goo. I really want to see the texture. So can you see that? So it's like a transparent gel. So probably very, oh, it's got that pineapple scent as well. Not sure about sensitive skin, guys, but I'm definitely going to try that because I do have sensitive skin. And if you hear any mumbling, I've got my little one at the bottom. She's down here because she was crying and I had to bring her in. Riley, on the other hand, is outside playing, so that's fine. This smells really good. It is very, I would say, cooling. Now obviously we're in the summer heat. This is perfect for me, especially the moisturizer. This can even go in the fridge, honestly. That cooling effect, that's all I need in the summertime. Till now, 5 out of 5 for this little trio. The trio is perfect for summer months, especially here in the hot summertime. Now sorry, that was the printer. Now we're coming on to the last product. So we did get 4 items in the box, and the last one is obviously a palette. When do they not do palettes? But it's okay. This, oh, this is pretty. Make It Rain with PLOUISE No Stomp Game, a palette for eye and face. And look at the packaging and design. They went all out, guys, for this design. This design is beautiful. But you guys know what I'm going to look at. Each and every time, this is what I look at. What can be used on the eyes and what can't. I would say 50-50 can be used on the face and a 50-50 can be used only on the eyes. Is it normal? Can you read that? So it says face pigments contains pigments, does it, which according to the US law are not suitable on for use on the eye area. So is this just for the US? Is it something that they kind of ban or they don't allow? But for us it's okay, because that's a new, I think that's a new warning. Because it literally says face pigments contain pigments which according to the US law are not suitable for use in the eye area. So that means we can use them and we're fine. Because I just used to use like primers and stuff. But let's have a look at this. So the last palette that I did receive was broken. Hence why you've never seen it. Because it was one of those like old 90s retro kind of theme budget box. And I tried to get them to send me a new one. Instead they refunded me and I was quite upset because I film videos, I film the reviews and unboxings, and I just wanted to have the product in hand. It came all in my hand, and then there was another one, another budget box I didn't film because again the palette itself had like hundreds and thousands behind the mirror and it just collapsed and I just couldn't film it. So I'm so glad I didn't film that on. I didn't record that because that would have been atrocious. But this is the palette. So it opens up like a door. So let's open her up. Dun dun dun. Wait, oops. This is beautiful, honestly, guys. This is such a stunning palette. Like, wow. I don't think I really have anything like this from PLOUISE. I think, wait, I might do have a blue one. I think I don't have green. Honestly, guys, I'm looking at the pigments. The pigments are stunning. I don't play with eye makeup, but this is making me want to play with eye makeup. Like, honestly, I'm going to show you guys the pigments without trying to budget this. Like, whoa. Are you seeing those pigments? Because I am dying. I'm gagging. That is such a stunning pigment eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. Now I do have a few Clouded View, my fave. What else is here? It's nice. I love Cloudy Chances. Like those two colors, the kind of gold, rose goldy colors are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. See, I need to kind of dive into color. I don't like color. Honestly, I really don't, but I want to try. Do I have anything at the moment? Well, not really. But do I want to try something? I do. But have I taken photos of this? No. So, maybe in the next video. Let me know if you want me to try this in the next video. Shall we try and dive into makeup again? Tutorials with color. That could be a problem, but I really, really like this. Honestly, for a budget box, for once in a while, I love everything, which has been a while. So, what do I think of the June budget box from PLOUISE? I bloody love it. Honestly, guys. The moisturizer is perfect for the summer. It's light, fluffy, it's soft, it's I would say gel form, so it's perfect for in the summertime. It's perfect for in the fridge, and good for sensitive skin. We have the Clean Slate. This is the Biphase makeup remover. I love it. I needed one, so thank you very much, PLOUISE. You thought of me very well without knowing at the same time. I love it. And we do have the hyaluronic acid eye gel, which I don't think I have an eye gel from PLOUISE because I've been using another brand. So I do want to try a full skincare routine of PLOUISE. That would be kind of cool, and see how I get on, because I did have a breakout recently with my eyes, but it wasn't PLOUISE. I just considering was starting using PLOUISE and it irritated my eye because obviously I was already having an issue. Other than that, palette 10 out of 10. The pigments in here are beautiful and makes you want to play with makeup again. Takes you back to 2016 when makeup was a thing. Now I am literally sweating my pants off and I would like to finish this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you want a kind of video like this where I'm hardly wearing any makeup but maybe like this kind of look. Like honestly, this highlight blush is made by Mitchell and I like that one. I really like it considering it looks really nice in the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't. We'll say that again. I'll see you in the next video, Hans. And whatever that may be, I hope you watch it and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if there's anything you like from PLOUISE, if you've actually bought from PLOUISE before. And I do have a 10% coupon if you need it. If you want to grab anything from PLOUISE, down below will be a coupon code to get 10% off. Click the link, go check out, go buy some stuff. I recommend them. The budget box is one I definitely recommend. I think you should go and buy ASAP. It's lovely, it's fun. You get something in your mailbox every month. And she's doing bloody good, isn't she? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.